Hello YouTube. Today we're going to talk about AMC. I've seen a lot of negativity going into this and a lot of fear, especially after the reverse split. So I want to show you guys what I see on the chart and show you guys how I found a nice, good bottom reversal here. All right, so I wrote some notes here. For those that have started watching my vids, you know I use the Keltner channels. I customized them to ATR4, which really finds a good, um, extremely oversold point. So what we're looking at here is you got the bottom band, that's the green. I labeled it green because that's your buys, and your red top band is your sells if you're going to short things. So you would have shorted this spike. Right here was not technically a buy because it did not pierce the band. I'm looking for piercing, and this is where I found my entry. So price breaks the band, and I don't just get in right away. There's a lot of other factors. I look at the KDJ, which is like a very short term, but it looks for like a really precise. So here we break the band, and now AMC becomes on watch. And then the KDJ is like 9, it goes to 6, it goes to 4, and it gets to like 3. It was below 3 at one point right here. So I decided to get into position right around this candle right here. So this is your buy zone when it's below, and then you get in around when the K is less than 3 on the KDJ. That is just an indicator I use. I back tested a lot, and it works really well. So obviously it bounces because it has, like you're stretching a rubber band. It has to, revert back and snap into place. And then also I use a little trading view. Um, Same thing, Keltern channels. But I like this little thing here I use on the indicators here. So you see where the same thing it's under, but you get this like really oversold green dot appear. So it's telling you another buy, and then on the red K, you see a curl here. So I use a lot of indicators, but the main thing is looking for the buy zone, then you look for precise entries. And I teach that all in my Discord. Right here, I do not um, take any money from anyone. It's free alerts. We have a stock chart. I do the watch list for September 5th through 8th. I have all these stocks right here that I'm looking at, and I alert when I get in on the trade alerts here. As you can see, we took pod calls, we took BETR, we took, AMC, and I took it again, but you'll see in my bigger channel, but this is my small. But as you can see, all this stuff is free. I got the strategy here. We are on 100% win ratio for this last month as I started doing this journey and been back testing this strategy, so it really does work. You will not be just randomly buying like, oh, AMC is down 23% here. AMC is down 20. You're not going to randomly buy these zones. You want to wait till it gets close to a buy zone. All this is just fluff. This will get you back holding if you just see every red candle here. Um, yeah, so it's not going to create a lot of buy opportunities. You got to be patient with this spread. So as I'm seeing now, AMC is a perfect short opportunity. It hits those upper bands a lot. But this is the first time I'm like seeing an amazing buy opportunity. And so I wanted to tell you guys the strat, how I do it, and join the Discord and I'll teach you what I'm looking for and more strategies that I use to get these precise entries. And just to show you that it did take the trade here, AMC, we can go into trading records. I got it at 10.81. I alerted it in the chat that I wanted to sell it, and I sold it at 13.12 right here. About 1,100 profit, just for 500 shares. So that's what we did here. Got it right on this candle. And if you're up 25% or 20%, I think I was up, take the profit and let it retrace back into your buy zone. And that's what I'm doing right here. But the target as of right now is $23.68, and this is going to fluctuate. So it has such a big margin. So I'm fine, hitting here again and bouncing it back up and just keep rinsing and repeating this stock. But that is the opportunities we look for. Join the Discord. It's free. I'll put the link in the bio and in the chat and YouTube, so you can all, we all can make money. And hope you guys have a good rest of your weekend. See you later.